This video tutorial is dedicated to help you get rid of the fake human verification alerts related to the site newsfeedmail.com. So some people may see these pop-ups by newsfeedmail.com. Definitely such pop-ups are absolutely fake and really deceptive. They try to make users click on a special allow button, supposedly to help users verify that they are humans and not robots. But if the allow button is mistakenly clicked, the browser would be hijacked with plenty of advertisements that would be attacking your screen in the form of repeated web push notifications. So if you have mistakenly clicked on allow, fix your browser by going to the menu, Settings, then go to Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Go down to Permissions and choose Notifications. Then pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. Remove these malicious sites. Finally, to make sure that this system is free of other threats, I recommend that you investigate your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start carefully investigating your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other infections. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, for the first time, the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only Quick Scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.